Hi all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about why did he walked away. This is an English video, so those who are actually Hindi channel subscribers, I would request you guys to see the Hindi video, or those who doesn't understand Hindi English, they can see the Hindi video, the Hindi version of it. So this video is about why did he or she walked away. This is a timeless video. The particular time you are watching this video, this is applicable from them, that then and that time, and this is for any time zone, like whether you are in India, whether you are in US, whether you are in UK, whether you are in Australia, Canada, whichever the place you are in, this video is applicable on you. So there are three options over here. This first is like rose quartz flower, and this is the crystal flower. This is a bracelet, and this is crystal green jade flower. So crystal green jade flower, rose quartz flower, and the bracelet. So you have 10 seconds to choose. You can see the description box and you will find out the time slot, and quickly choose one of the thing, like one of the object, either rose quartz or green jade flower or rose quartz flower or a bracelet, and I will quickly start your reading. Okay, so we will quickly start the reading, and those who choose bracelet, we will start by for them. Let's start with shuffling the cards. Hecate's path, cycle of life, night magic, crossroads, and letting go. Okay, so they already let go you. Regeneration, plant medicine, caretaker, and bloomer. Hidden familiars, allies, natural assistance, divine support, and comfort. To all Archangel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Michael, Archangel Zedekiel, Archangel Zophiel, Archangel Jeremiah, Archangel Raziel, Archangel Raguel, Gabriel. Two of roses, one of roses, up in the air, the divine physician, Archangel Michael, the King of Scrolls, on track, one of scrolls, the journey, seven of roses, stop criticizing yourself. You are the perfect just the way you are. Life is tough, but so are you. The reason it hurts so much to separate it is because of our souls are connected. That means they are your soulmate, and still they discontinue with you. This sounds like really bizarre, because what I am seeing here, you have exact connection, you both have that connection, you both were moving towards the right track, and you both were thinking for each other to give commitment, but still like there were a soul connection, but still you both choose to leave each other. In fact, I would say either you left their him or her, or they left you. So the situation over here, I'm seeing something related with family, and something related to with their health issues. They just left, even without seeing anything. I don't see that they said anything to you, they just vanished like that. Looks like there is something like either they or you are suffering through some things like health issues, and that's kind of a big matter for them, or you or them are suffering through some financial issues. You both got this connection, okay? So I'm seeing that this person would definitely come back to you. Archangel Michael is kind of supporting you in this situation, but yes, you both are soulmate, true soulmate, past life, true love. They wanted to give you commitment, but at the end moment they decided not to give you any commitment, not to go with you. They were in kind of crossroad situation, like there would be a situation like where the person stands over here and they think whether to go this side or that side, and they could not choose you to the commitment side, and they choose to hide. So that is the situation over here. It's a very tough situation. They did not tell you anything, they were so confused. They had this health issues, or you had this health issues, that was kind of a major reason why they left you. And there were some financial issues going on, and family issues. These are the three things why they left you. So either their family said something and they could not tell you, that probably they belong from some orthodox family, or their family are kind of not accepting you, so they thought to leave you. Or probably they had this financial issues going on. I would say more than financial, it's kind of a legal issue. Some legal things were going on, and then they thought, okay, there is some legal issues going on, and then we could not get over of it, like it would take a long time, and they just left you without saying anything. Or there is some health issues, either from your side or their side. So that is the reason why they left. And probably your side, some legal issues is going on. You filed a divorce case or something like that, and they thought it would take long time, so they cannot wait for you, so they just left you. Looks like this person, okay, so this person travels a lot. Your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner, spouse, they travel a lot. They travel across the world, and they usually like to wear green shirt or green t-shirt or green top, or blue shirt, blue t-shirt, or blue top, or something like brown. That is their favorite color, or they wear such type of like color shirt, t-shirt, top, or something like that. That is kind of those colors are there in their wardrobe, and they are definitely doing something related with communication and creative field. You guys are doing something related with engineering and communication field, and communication means HR, admin, business development, teacher, trainer, professor, journalism. So this all comes in from communication field. Their name, your partner's name, probably starting with H, I, D, A, M, R, C, W, G, S, and your name probably starts with N, T, R, C, K, J, Y, M, V. You guys love flowers, varieties type of flowers you like, or you are connected with the nature, and you have long hair. Your favorite color probably would be black. You have lots of black dresses or gray dresses, gray color dresses or black color dresses in your wardrobe, or that color t-shirt, shirt or top. This person is definitely going to come back to you. Even they left you, they walked away, but they will definitely come back to you because they are your true soulmate. And it is also hurting them. It's not like that they are very happy leaving you. It is also hurting them, but they choose that path. That is their own decision. That is how that journey is decided by, like, universe. We will take some more card and we will see that when this person can come back to you. They do think about the situation many times, like the way they suddenly left you, but they don't do anything about it. Someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. So looks like in their family or friend circle, someone is extremely stubborn and they don't change their mind, and that's why they are unable to come back to you. Let's see when they will come back to you. When month of April 2022. Even though they walked away from this situation, they left you alone, they are going to come back to you on month of April for sure. They can even come before that. You can practice healing session from my channel. I have made healing session 1 year back. There are few healing session like no contact situation and everything. Those healings are there on my channel, so you can watch those healing session. But definitely yes, they will be coming back to you to give commitment, especially to give commitment. That is like a proper way to come back and say sorry and clear everything out and give a commitment. So they will come back to give you commitment, and that would happen on month of April. Probably they contact you before that, but they definitely won't give you commitment. Even though they contact you before that, but they would definitely come back to you to give commitment. Or that is on month of April 2022. Because this is a timeless video, so the particular time you are watching this video, from that time to you have to count 8 months down to the line. 8 months they will come back to you. You guys are in Sun, Moon, Rising, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces energy, and Aries, Leo and Sagittarius energy, and definitely Gemini and Virgo. So that is your energies. And I would say their soul is with you, but there is someone in their family or some health matter, someone in their family that they don't accept you because you have a health issues, or they have a health issues, or you have or they because probably their family is orthodox and you are kind of not a right fit for their family. So someone someone who is very close to your partner, they don't accept you. Someone or a group of people, they don't accept you, so they are kind of very stubborn person. They're unwilling to change. They are not willing to change their mind, so that is why they are unable to come back to you. Your date of birth could be number 6, 24 and 15, or his or her date of birth could be number 6, 24 and 15, 9, 18 and 27, 1, 10, 8, 28 and 19, and 2, 20, 11 and 29. So that could be the date of birth of yours. So definitely they will come back to you. Let's see what universe has to say about this situation. Let's see what is there, what universe has to say about this situation. Maturity and creativity and abundance. So everything will fall in place at the right time. So that is, I guess, the universe message is for. Like, universe is giving you message that it would be a time when everything would be fall in place. All you need to do is behave mature and wait for some times. Things will be fine. Slowly, gradually things will be fine with you. Step away from the crowd and rebel and change the scenery and call your spirit home. This is a time when you have to be very spiritual. You cannot be in such a way like very casual. You were also leading a life of like very casual life. There were no spiritual life of yours activated. So that is also one reason why you are not getting what you were expecting or what you expect. So if you really want something to happen, so you have to activate your spiritual connection, your spirit. You have to live in spirit. So in that way probably you will get him back or get her back, because spiritual life is quite important to heal yourself, to heal the situation. So your heart chakra can activate. Your heart chakra will be activated and call them back. So whenever your heart chakra is activated, you can actually call them back in your life. So that would happen eventually, that would happen. So this is a time when you should you should focus on your creativity. That is one way I would say. Your career, and do something in your career, and you will be getting abundance. You will be receiving abundance this particular time. And I would suggest you, this is the time to focus on your spiritual life. Slowly, gradually they will return to you and they will give you commitment, because you both are true soulmate. So here the reading ends, and we will quickly move into the other reading. Okay, so we will start with those who choose green flower. Those who choose green flower, we will start their reading quickly. Let's see why they walked away. Why did he / she walked away? Let's have a look. Why did he or she walked away? The first card is 7 of Swords, 5 of Swords, 2 of Cups, Three of coins, Two of swords, Ten of cups. Wow, such a interesting reading, such a interesting reading. Worthiness, okay. And life purpose. Looks like you both are twin flame, twin soul, or you both are in a spiritual higher self journey or spiritual journey. Boundaries, resolving conflict, commitment. Wow, so this is going to be very interesting reading. I want to see some more cards and then we will quickly start off. So the blessing of Ace of loneliness and bring companionship, a blessings of find the truth, and the blessings of homecoming. So the truth is, this person was quite confused between you and someone else. So they were thinking that their soulmate is someone else, where you are their soulmate. You are their true soulmate coming from past life, or you are the twin flame, or you both are in twin flame journey, or you both are in a higher self connection or spiritual journey. But he got confused, that he thought you are not the one for them. There's some sort of intensities in this connection, definitely, because you both are twin flame, twin soul, so there are intensity in this connection. But yes, like you are an empath, you are compassionate, you are understanding towards this person, you are kind of a motherly, fatherly figure for them, you gave them so much, but still they choose to be with some other person, like a third party, a third person. That was kind of a journey you are actually carrying from past life. That is why they are so confused. They will definitely return to you, but it is with time, and we are going to see when is the time, but I'll let you know the entire situation over here. So you both met in a workplace, looks like you both met in a workplace, or regarding some work you met him or her, or you both were working together, or ex-colleague or something like that. You both met there, or you both were doing some projects together or some work together, and or some group up or some meetup groups, or something like in a group you met with each other, some social events. You both started with good things like talking to each other, valuing each other's things, and you are giving too much to them. You are kind of a home for them. You were a person, like, you know, treating them actually like a motherly figure or fatherly figure. They were so happy with you, but suddenly this third person comes in the picture. This third person came in, and then everything got changed, and they thought you are not the one, but the other person is the one for them. Too much of confusion, chaos, too much of conflicts, and then like you both had lots of argument, and after that they decided to move out from your life. Some of you guys let him to do arguments and disagreements. You did not even express yourself properly, but you both have got life purpose to do together. So he has to come back to you, because this is the wish of universe. It got nothing to do with you or someone else, because universe wish that you both should be together forever. So that's why he has to come back to your life. and you both have this higher self connection, twin flame connection. So you both have to come back to each other, and you both will fulfill some life purpose. We will see later that what is your life purpose is, but before that we will get some more oracle cards about this connection. Choose love. You always have choice. Make yours with love. So universe is saying choose love. If today, after hearing this reading, after seeing this reading, or after you get to know that there is a third party, probably you thought of giving up on this person, slow down, pause and allow things to unfold. So I would say that won't be a right decision. You need to be quiet. You are lonely at this point of time. You feel lonely, you feel disrespected, and you now, when you especially reveal the truth about this person, that they have some third person, you are angry too. You are sometimes losing your temper, but universe is telling that pause, slow, and choose your love. Don't leave them, because there are some purpose, life purpose to fulfill. Both of you guys will do great work in future. This is just a time. This is a certain time where things did not work out between you both, but it will be eventually in future. Let's see what is your life purpose, because here life purpose card has come. So let's see what are your life purpose and what is his life purpose together to fulfill. Leadership. Take charge of the situation. Creative expression. Your soul longs to express itself. Creativity. So you guys will do something creativity, something related with creativity, and you both will help people to get motivated. So probably you both will start a YouTube channel. You both will run a YouTube channel, or you both will run a blog or website where people will get help in their bad time or bad situation. When they will go through the bad situation, they will get help from you, and you guys are born to lead them, born to lead a certain community people or certain type of people. Probably there would be some small kids who require help in education. Probably there are some few old ladies, those who require help in their health issues or medical issues. So you guys will start something, or start blogging, or you will start some organization where people will get help from you guys. That is your life purpose. This person had long time back in their mind, but all of a sudden they took a decision not to continue with you. So that is because of this third person. Let's see when they are coming back. When they are coming back. Okay, month of December. So month of December 2021, they will return to you. And definitely let's see when they will return to you, what would happen, what is going to happen when they will return to them. You guys are in Sun Moon Rising. I'm seeing like Libra, Aquarius and Gemini's energy. Some of you guys are Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces energy. Probably your partner's name starts with C and V and I and L. CVIL. Probably they are into government service or public sector. They work for government sector, public sector, police, army, detective, something like that. Or they do something related with government sector, public sector, government offices, something like that. And you guys are doing something related with creative field, or you guys are doing something related with IT field, information technology, creative field, or transportation field, transport field. Rose, romance in the air. Okay, so when they return to you, they looks like they will come with full of energy. They will give you, they will spend good time with you, quality time with you. Love, they will come with true love, which is really good. Arrow, you are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. So probably this particular time you are avoiding them and focusing on yourself, which is actually a right path. Universe is saying that that's a kind of a right path for you. You guys are the one who are kind of very much attracted towards scented candles. So probably you burn scented candles in your home. You can be also a spiritual person, or you guys actually you guys also can probably using some scented essential oils, so something like that I'm seeing. And definitely you guys are the one who wear varieties type of colorful dresses, and you have the short hair, and you have so many, like you have a good collection of shoes. So I'm seeing that. And your partner, they're kind of tall and thin, slim, quite slim, probably maximum of they're tall, 6 feet or 5'11" or 5'10", and they are slim in figure. Some of your partner are like 5'4", 5'3", also long hair, and wearing lots of jewelries. So I'm seeing this kind of things are coming in front of me. Probably right now you are wearing a yellow dress or a red colored dresses or shirt or t-shirt or top while watching this video. The date of birth of yours could be like something like 2/20/11 and 29, and 5/23 and 14, and 7/25 and 16, 8/26 and 17, and 4/22, 31 and 13. So this is kind of interesting reading. One hand they are intense towards you, and the other hand they are trying to be with someone else, so they are quite confused. Give them time, they will definitely return with time. Give them time till December, because you have to give them, you both got this life purpose to fulfill with each other. Anyway, they will return to you many times, and you cannot cut them off from your life totally. And if you wish to cut them off, then it would be your willpower, you need to do that. So that's how it is. At the end, I will take some suggestion card from the universe, and then we will go to the next pile. So let's see what is your suggestion card or advice card from universe. I deserve joy. I deserve to be prosperous. I deserve love and joy. So universe is saying that if you wish to go away, you can go away from him or her. So that universe is living on you. But yes, you both have this life purpose to fulfill. If you wish to wait for him or her, then it is your wish. If you want to be happy, then also universe with you. So universe is with you anyway, you choose to leave them or be with them. So that is what the advice card is. So we will quickly move to the other reading, which is the last but not the least, like rose quartz heart, rose quartz flower. We'll quickly move to that reading. Okay, so last but not the least, we will come to the last reading of rose quartz flower. So let's see those who choose rose quartz flower, what is their reading. Why did he slash she walked away? Okay, so the first card is Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. This is kind of shuffling problem. All the cards fell down. Okay, so Three of Swords and then Nine of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, okay, and the Lovers, and Five of Wands, and King of Wands. Okay, so they stuck into some situation. There were lots of conflicts going on between you and him or her. You both fought with each other. They thought that you broke their heart, and they did not like the way you spoke with them or your attitude, your behavior, so they choose to leave. Dreams. They are the person, they actually daydream, they are the one selling out. They are the one, they think that every relationship is perfect. There should not be any kind of conflicts in the relationship. There should be always good time in relationship. That's not possible. Actually, there would be sometimes when ups and downs are there in every relationship. Letting go, so they let go you because they could not take you. So you said something which is kind of very daring for them, and they thought that, oh, this is not going to be done, and they kind of got hurt. They're oversensitive or emotional person. Genomes, humanity, friendship, hard work, and little visions. Okay, and hidden familiars, allies, natural assistant, divine support and comfort. Looks like this person or you are into some social work. You are working with some NGO. You have lots of friends, and you guys are very hardworking and also very spiritual person. Drawing down the moon, divine feminine, source, channel, and stillness. So here I'm again getting this twin flame kind of sense, like you both are in twin flame journey or true soulmate journey. Hallowed heart, veneration, sensuality, gentleness, and nakedness. Oh my god. So okay, so here it goes, like you both have this connection, but you both fought with each other, and like there were lots of conflicts. They used to think this is such a perfect connection, there won't be any conflicts in future, but it happened and they could not take it and they just left you. So that is how it is. And if you will ask me that will they return to you, they walked away from you, but they would be returning as soon as possible. So the way they walked away from you, they could not leave. See, at present they probably talking to another person, but I would say that they won't be able to adjust with them, and they are definitely going to come back to you. So let's see when they are going to come back to you. August. Month of August 2021 would be the time when they return back to you, and let's see what is coming more. Diamond, you will be receiving or giving precious gifts. So they probably come back and come back to you and offer you some good like diamond jewelry or a diamond ring. Probably they will commit you, or they will be asking you for getting engaged with them. So because this is a timeless video, so within 1 or 2 months, that particular time you're watching this video, from that time within 1 or 2 months, this person is going to return to you. The way they left you, the same way very quickly they will be returning to you. But definitely this particular time they are speaking to someone, they are talking to someone, they are chatting with someone, or they are dating someone, but things will not work out there and they have to return to you. Someone working against you behind your back. So definitely they are like rat, they are going here, they're trying out. You both got this magnetic attraction between each other. Financial gain usually coming from something you did it in past. So you both got this magnetic attraction between each other. They have to come back to you, which is someone is trying to come between you and friend or something you want. Also definitely there is a third person situation. They're trying out with others, but a wish is granted. That is a bottom card. That wish won't be fulfilled. They won't get someone like you. They are kind of even obsessed about you because they cannot live without you. So they are going to return to you. They won't be able to, whenever they will start a relationship with someone, they will start comparing them with you, and they won't be able to get that vibes which they are getting from you. They get that connection, and slowly gradually they return to you. So they are going to return to you on month of August 2021, August end, something like that. And they are definitely seeing someone right now. Why they walked away? Because you and they have kind of ego clashes, lots of fight, conflicts regarding job or regarding financial situation or regarding career. And then they thought to let go because they always dreamed about all this perfect relationship. They never dream about that the relationship could be sometimes bitter also. Sometimes there would be a phase like ups and downs phase. They don't think like that. They actually don't think like that. So they could not take it, they could not digest it. So they just wanted to like they just walked away from the situation. They cannot face that reality of that relationship. So they just thought of walked away from this situation. So that is all about this reading. Let's see what is your advice card. You guys are in Sun, Moon, Rising. I am seeing Gemini and Aries, Leo and Saggy, and Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn's energy. Some of you guys have pearl jewelries. You love pearl jewelries or artificial jewelries. Some of you guys are very close to your grandparents and or your brother or sisters. Some of you guys has this like love chocolates or ice cream or this kind of sweet dishes. and whether you make it in home, you like that. You like sweet, you like to eat sweet. And I'm seeing someone, or someone of you is wearing green shirt, t-shirt currently, or brown shirt or t-shirt, or some of you guys has long like hair, and you colored it, or you have this blonde hair, fair complexion, well maintained body. Date of birth could be 8, 26 and 17, something like that, or 1, 10, 19 and 28, 5, 23 and 14, 2, 29, 11 and 20, 3, 30, 21 and 12. So that could be your or your partner's date of birth. You guys love music. Some of you guys are working in a financial company or communication field, or IT field, information technology or engineering field. They may not get connected with you yet, but during within this month of August, they will definitely contact you back, and they are going to come back to you for sure. So let's go for an advice card. Let's see what universe has to say currently. My life is never stuck or static or still, for each moment is new and fresh. Every ending is new point of beginning. So every ending has a new point of beginning. I also agree that whenever you think that is over, from there this new beginning would start. So probably these things happen for good. When the person, your partner, your boyfriend, girlfriend, company and spouse left, and they went for someone else, they would start dating someone, they would suddenly realize that, okay, this person is like, this person was far better than all these people I'm dating. So I had this vibes and connection matching with this person, but others I don't have that connection or vibes matching. So they would definitely return to you. So here this reading ends. Let me know if you liked my reading or not. Let me know. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day, and God bless you.